Hello friends, in this video I'll provide you the solution of NPTEL course Programming Data Structure and Algorithm using Python by Professor Madhavan Mukund from Chennai Mathematical Institute. This is the 8 weeks program. The week 2 quiz and week 2 programming assignment is available. The last date of quiz submission is 9th of August. So the first question is, we have given a 10 statement here and we have to find out the which one generates an error. So the 8th number of statement, that W0 colon 3 equal to if this 8th statement generates an error, so you have to write the 8 here. Next question is, consider the following lines of Python code. The code is given here, and which of the following holds at the end of this code. When we generate this, when we execute this, the correct answer is this, that A1 equal to 87, B2 equal to 77, C2 equal to 77 and D0 equal to 97. This correct answer is option C. Next question is, what is the value of end message after executing the following lines? We have given a code, Python code here, and we have to find out what is the value of end message. So after executing this code, the end message variable contains Python string, double quote. You have to write the Python in double quote. Okay. Next is, what is the value of mylist after the following lines are executed? That this is the code given. We have to find out the value of mylist variable. So mylist contains the 7, 11, 13. You have to write this in a brackets because this is the list. So these are the 4 questions in quiz 2 of the NPTEL course Programming Data Structure and Algorithm using Python. Next we'll solve the programming assignment, week 2 programming assignment. Here we have to write 3 functions. First we have to write suppose a positive integer m is a prime product if it can be written as a p cross q, where p and q are both primes. So we have to write a function, Python function, prime product m, that takes an integer m as input and return true if m is a prime product and false otherwise. If m is not positive, your function should return false. So these are the prime product 6, that is true, prime product 188 false, prime product 202 true. Next function is write a function del care s comma c, that takes as input string s and a c, where c has length 1, a single character, and returns the string obtained by deleting all the occurrences of c in s. If c has length more other than 1, then the function should return s. Similarly, this is the code example. Next function is write a function shuffle L1 L2 that takes as input 2 list L1 and N2 and return a list consisting of the first element in L1, then the first element in L2, then the second element in L1, then the second element in L2, and so on. If the 2 lists are not of equal length, then the remaining elements of the longer list are appended at the end of the shuffled output. This is the so the first code for the first function is that prime product function. M is a number. We have to check that M is a prime product or not. If M is less than 0, then return a false. This is the helper function that is used to check the number is prime or not. And use a for loop for I range from 2 to M understood M plus 1. So check, and in this function check the prime, call the prime function to check that both are prime or not, prime factors or not. If both are prime factors, then return true, otherwise return false. So this is the function to check the prime product. Next, the function to delete all occurrences of character C in a string S. First check the length of the C. If it is equal to 1, then use replace function to replace the C, character C, with blank. Else return S. If the length of C is greater than or not equal to 1, then return S, same. Next function is to shuffle two lists alternatively. That create a empty list result. I'll find out the length of both the list. Takes the maximum length. Use the loop to append the list in result, and then use the result. Return the result list. So this is the three functions. First is the prime product. Second is the delete char, and third is the shuffle. So when first click on the compile and run, there are 10 test cases are here, public test cases. So when we check the public test case, all the public test case passed successfully. Click on the submit button. All the private test cases, 12 private test cases are passed. So this is the solution of the quiz 2 and the programming assignment 2 of the NPTEL course Programming Data Structure and Algorithm using C. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can solve the next assignments of this course. Thank you.